Lace, texture, and now, the satisfying simplicity of the V-stitch. Swatch 4 is going to be your new favorite warm-up stitch. Hi, I'm Rene from Martha and Me. Welcome back to the Stitch Sampler Blanket Series. We're 4 swatches deep and I'm obsessed with how this blanket is developing. Last week, the lace cluster stitch gave us something delicate and open, and this week, the V-stitch is bringing that same airy feel with an even cleaner, more graphic look. Side by side, these two are going to be absolutely beautiful. As always, I'm pulling our stitches from Bella Coco's Crochet Stitch Card Deck. And honestly, every time I flip to the next card, I get so excited about where this blanket is going. It is such a well-curated collection, and the cards themselves are beautiful. I've linked it below with my affiliate link, so if you want to grab your own deck and stitch along with me for all 50 swatches, that link is the best way to support this channel while you do it. The V-stitch is one of those stitches that looks impressive, but is genuinely beginner-friendly. And it works up so quickly you might just finish this swatch faster than any of the others so far. Same drill, one swatch, one new stitch, one step closer to that finished blanket. Let's go. We bring our card in, and we get our hook and our yarn, and we're ready to go. Now I have chained 27 stitches here, because I know I need 24 stitches for the width of my swatch. It's going to be 6.5 by 4, and I need 24 inches to make that. And then my card says multiple of 3 plus 3. 24 is a multiple of 3, and then I had to add 3, so this is 27 stitches here. So I'm starting off with 27 stitches. And this again is a beginner, and the stitches used are chain and double crochet. So let's flip over the card and read our instructions. We're going to be working in the 4th chain from the hook. And let's make sure we understand what that is. We have the loop over the hook, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the chain we'll be going into. So it tells us that we're going to do a double crochet, 1 chain, and a double crochet in that 4th chain from the hook. So let's do that. Let's do a double crochet, one chain, and another double crochet in that exact same chain. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches. So count 1, 2, and we'll be working in this 3rd one. And it tells me again, double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet. See how easy this is already being? So we're going to do a double crochet, one chain, and another double crochet in the same spot. And we're just going to do that all the way across. Skip 2. In the 3rd chain, we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet. We're going to skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd one, we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet in that same spot. Skip 2, and in the 3rd chain, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2, and in the next one, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into that same stitch. We'll skip 2 more, and in that third one, another double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet in that same spot. Skip 2. There we go. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So we should have 2 remaining, which we do. So we're going to skip only 1 at the end and double crochet in that last chain. Oop, I didn't do my yarn over, so that's not going to work. Yarn over and go in there. And turn my work. And now, see that? It looks pretty good, doesn't it? So for row 2, and row 2 will be repeated until you get to your 4 inches. So I'm going to chain 3, and then in every single chain 1 space across, I'm going to double crochet. Let's see if I'm saying that right. I double crochet 1 chain and double crochet in each 1 chain space across. Sorry. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. It helps if I say it correctly. Now find the next chain 1 space and double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, then we're going to go double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Next chain 1 space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Next chain 1 space, chain 1 and double crochet. And find the next spot. Chain 1 and finish that off with a double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet, and here's our last one, double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and then here we are with our chain 3 space that started this, and we're going to do 1 double crochet in that. And we're going to turn. And look at that, isn't that nice? And we repeat row 2 until we have the height we want, And remember, we did 3 chains, and in every chain space we're going to do the double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet. And here you are. V-stitch done. Look at those gorgeous little V's lining up perfectly. So clean, so satisfying. Line that up next to your lace cluster swatch and look how beautifully these open stitches play together. And hey, if you want to stitch along with me for all 50 swatches, grab the Bella Coco stitch card deck through my affiliate link in the description. It's how I'm choosing every single stitch in this series, and I absolutely love it. Comment on yours below, and don't forget to subscribe. Swatch 5 is coming, and trust me, it's a good one. Happy hooking!